to accomplish this everyday natural makeup look using Clarins Makeup Heroes products. They not only help target your skin concerns, but are packed with great ingredients that help care for your skin. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to accomplish this overall look, so it's super easy, and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's get started. So to start, I'm going to use Clarins SOS Primer in Universal Light. Their primers are meant to target specific skin concerns. This one I love using because it's super lightweight, it helps moisturize your skin all throughout the day, and its purpose is to help brighten your skin. So for my second step, I'm going to be using Clarins Skin Illusion Foundation in the color Beige 107. I absolutely love this product because it has a serum-like texture, so it really maintains that bare skin effect. I also love it because it has an SPF of 15, so it does help protect your skin while giving you a full coverage look. As a third step, I use Clarins Everlasting Foundation in the color Ivory 103. I just use this in spots that I want a little extra coverage. So I'll do it underneath my eyes because I do have some dark circles, down my nose to give it a little bit of a highlight, and on my chin just to kind of make it pop a little bit. I'll set it in with my foundation brush and then a beauty blender just to make sure it's really packed in. So after I used the concealer, I just quickly finished up my makeup look by doing a little bit of contouring with bronzer, a little bit of highlight on the top of my cheeks, down my nose, and above my lip. And then I did a little bit of blush, as well as filling in my brows really lightly with Clarins Brow Pencil in the color Light Brown. Next up, I'm going to be doing mascara with Clarins Super Volume Mascara in the color Intense Black. I love this because it really keeps your lashes clump free. It gives them super great volume. I do have lash extensions, but I do like to put them a little bit on the bottom of my lashes. And then it also contains ingredients that help protect your lashes and maintain their length. Next up, I'm going to be using Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector in the color Nude Shimmer. It's the perfect everyday gloss because it goes on super smooth, almost feels like chapstick, not super sticky, and has a great pigment to it. So as another step for my lips, I'm going to be using Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in the color Honey. It really gives you that nice lip gloss shine while not being sticky, and also has a cocktail of 3 plant oils to help enhance and nourish your lips. So as a final step, I'm going to be using Clarins Fix Makeup Setting Spray. It not only smells like roses, which is my favorite scent, but it hydrates your face and refreshes it while holding your makeup in place. So this is the finished natural makeup look using Clarins Makeup Heroes products. I'm going to be linking all the products below for you guys if you want any of them, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching.